Shalom uvracha. At the outset of this week's parasha, Moshe Rabbeinu takes an interesting step. He takes his most loyal right-hand man, Yehoshua ben Nun, and he changes his name from Hosea to Yehoshua. Question is, why does he do this? Rashi explains that this is a protection for Yehoshua at the outset of a very dangerous mission. He knows that there's going to be challenges, difficulties, and by placing the Yud in front of Hosea, there's a Yud He, which reminds him of Hashem, will keep him true to his values. Beautiful idea. We teach our young children this early on in school. Very famous idea. What's interesting is it's not expressly written in the Torah. It's a midrash that Rashi brings. There's other ways of looking at it. And a very intriguing one I came across this week by Rabbi Shimshon Raphael Hirsch. He says this wasn't for Yehoshua, it was actually a hint of a message to all of the people. You see, what happens is, if you look at the grammar of the words, Hosea means he saves, he saved us. Talking about Hashem. Yehoshua's name, Hosea, meant that Hashem saves us. By putting a Yud in front of it, Yehoshua, it makes it future. He will. Imperfect. It didn't happen yet, but it will. And what Moshe was trying to do by taking Hosea and making him Yehoshua was to tell the people, hey, the one who saves, the one who saved us, the one who's been our salvation all along, in the future, when we're going to need a different salvation, it's the same one. The same Hosea is the Yehoshua. The same one who saves is the one who's going to save. And Moshe understood the people were on the verge of a whole new world. And a whole new world means new difficulties, new problems, new challenges. And he knew that whenever that happens, people look to the outside. And people look to newfangled ideas, new fads, new leaders, new possibilities. And that's going to lead to Avodah Zarah and lead to straying away from Hashem. And what Moshe wanted to send the message to the people was, the one who saves is the one who's going to save. Don't look to the outside. Look at all the success you've had over the years. Hashem was with you in Mitzrayim. He brought you the plagues. He split the sea. He walked you through the desert. Pillar of cloud, pillar of fire, man, so many other miracles. He has been with you all along. He's going to be the one that's going to be with you in the future, even though it's a new set of problems, new set of difficulties, new set of challenges. Of course, this is a wonderful message for us as well. So often we're presented with new difficulties, new challenges, new problems, and we wonder, how are we going to be saved? Who's going to come up with the new idea? Who's going to be the new person, the new solution, the new fad, the new idea? And the answer is, it's Hashem all along. Hashem has always been with us. Look at all the beracha that we've had to get to this point. Who do you think is going to save us in the future? Yehoshua, Hashem, he's going to be the one that's going to save us in the future. Shabbat Shalom.